Colloidal state. Thomas Graham classified substances into two categories, crystalloids and colloids. According to Graham, crystalloids are those substances which could be obtained in the crystalline form and whose solutions were able to pass through an animal membrane. On the other hand, colloids were those substances which could be obtained as amorphous in nature and whose solutions were unable to pass through the membrane. This classification is not found to be so accurate because certain substances could act both as crystalloids and colloids. Therefore, a new system of classification is devised based on the word or the term dispersion system. Let us see what is meant by dispersion system. A system consisting of a substance distributed as very small particles of solid, droplets of liquid, or tiny bubbles of gas in a suitable medium is called dispersion system. Definition. What is meant by dispersion system? Whereas the medium which it is dispersed, the medium is known as, or the medium is called dispersion medium, and the distributed substance is called dispersed phase. On the basis of the size of the particle, the dispersion system can be divided into the following three categories. 1. True solution. Due to small size, that means less than 10 to the power of minus 9, of dispersed particle, true solutions can pass through ordinary filter paper as well as through animal membrane. Sodium chloride, sugar, urea, etc. form true solutions. Second one, colloidal solution. Colloidal solutions are heterogeneous system, one of the characteristics of colloids, and have a diameter of the particles lying between 10 to the power of minus 9 to 10 to the power of minus 6. The particles present in the colloidal solution are thus larger particles and are referred to as colloidal particle. Colloidal particles can pass through ordinary filter paper but not through an animal membrane. Another characteristics of colloidal particle. Gum, arabic, gelatin, glue, etc. form colloidal solution when dispersed in water. Third one, suspensions. Suspensions are also a heterogeneous system. Characteristic of suspension. It is a heterogeneous system and have a still larger particles, that the size of the particles are more than 10 to the power of minus 6. And stirred muddy water is an example of suspension. These are the diagrammatic representation. The true solution, the particles are very minute, that is less than 10 to the power of minus 9. 10 to the power of minus 9. Whereas the colloidal solution between 10 to the power of minus 9 to 10 to the power of minus 6. Whereas suspension means above minus 10 to the power of minus 6. This is the picture of the three different states.